Proverbs 10. Proverbs of HalaluYahauh. A wise son makes a father rejoice, but a foolish son is his mother's sorrow. Treasures of wickedness are of no value, but righteousness delivers from death. Yahweh does not let the being of the righteous go hungry, but he thrusts away the desire of the wicked. Poor is he who works with a lazy hand, but the hand of the hard worker makes rich. He who gathers in summer is a wise son. He who sleeps in harvest is a son who causes shame. Barakah are on the head of the righteous, but violence covers the mouth of the wicked. The remembrance of the righteous is Baruch, but the name of the wicked rot. The wise in heart accepts commands, but one with foolish lips falls. He who walks in integrity walks safely, but he who perverts his ways becomes known. He who winks with the eye causes sorrow, and one with foolish lips falls. The mouth of the righteous is a fountain of life, but violence covers the mouth of the wicked. Hatred stirs up strife, but love covers all transgressions. Wisdom is found on the lips of him who has understanding, but a rod is for the back of him who lacks heart. The wise treasure up knowledge, but the mouth of a fool is near ruin. The rich man's wealth is his strong city. The ruin of the poor is their poverty. The wage of the righteous is for life. The increase of the wicked is for sin. He who heeds discipline in the way of life, but he who refuses reproof goes astray. He who hides hatred has lying lips, and he who sends out slander is a fool. When words are many, transgression is not absent, but he who restrains his lips is wise. The tongue of the righteous is choice silver. The heart of the wicked is of little. The lips of the righteous shepherd many, but fools die for lack of heart. The barakah of Yahweh makes one rich, and he adds no pain with it. To work out wicked schemes is like sport to a fool, but wisdom is for a man of understanding. What the wicked fears comes upon him, but the desire of the righteous is granted. As the whirlwind passes by, the wicked is no more, but the righteous an everlasting foundation. As vinegar to the teeth and smoke to the eyes, so is the lazy one to those who send him. The reverence of Yahweh prolongs days, but the years of the wicked are shortened. The righteous look forward to joy, but the expectancy of the wicked perish. The way of Yahweh is a stronghold for the perfect, but ruin to the workers of wickedness. The righteous are never shaken, while the wicked shall not dwell in the earth. The mouth of the righteous bring forth wisdom, but the tongue of perverseness is cut out. The lips of the righteous know what is pleasing, but the mouth of the wicked, perverseness. Proverbs 10.